The 7 provinces of Central Luzon compete for attention as they put on exhibit their province's most noteworthy products. Closer to home, the products of Bulacan and Pampanga enjoy a distinct familiarity. And yet, at this exhibit, the province's products astonish us with their sheer variety. Take the case of Bulacan na kilalang kilala natin sa kanilang malulutong na chicharon at matatamis na kakanin. You will be pleased to also note that the province offers so much more.
Well known for its variety of products, no? And Bulacan is also known as the SME capital of Central Luzon because we have a lot of micro, small, and medium enterprises who are located now in Bulacan. A lot of products, for example, like our otop, we have our well-known otop, we have the barongs and the embroidered garments, no? The embroidered barongs and saya of Bulacan. We have our national otop winner in Bulacan. We have the Diseño Pandi. They are the makers of embroidered gowns and barongs in Bulacan. And also we have a lot of auto products like jewelry. We have a lot of food products in Bulacan. We have the sweets also in Bulacan. No? And then we have a lot of products now that we have developed, like products made out of water lily. No? The water lily out of yung ginagawang slippers, handbags, imagine from waste material into something productive, no? And then we have also developed now yung bamboo. We have the bamboo products. Now we are developing bamboo products into toys. So toys for kids, which are environment friendly at the same time, free from chemicals. No? And then we have also a lot of garments here, embroidered garments and the usual na garments, like we have the curtains here. So I am inviting the public to please come and visit Bulacan and try our products here. No? So we have a lot of products, food products that are famous. We have the pastillas, the chicharon, we have the suka ng Paumbo, and a lot of products. So come and visit Bulacan and see for yourself.
Kilalang kilala din ang Pampanga sa sarap ng kanilang mga lutuin at sa mga magagandang parol. Pero higit pa dyan ang kanilang maihahandog sa ating lahat.
Pampanga po is one of the provinces of Region 3. It is the home po yung mga maraming delicacies. Saka po sa nakikita nyo ngayon, marami pong lanterns. Actually po, yung pong City of San Fernando, ang motto po niya is ang mga lantern. Pero po basically po, ang products ng Pampanga, well known po yan sa mga kakanin. Po yung mga sweets and delicacies. And then, meron din po tayong furniture. Marami po tayong exporters na furniture coming from Pampanga. And then, we have po yung mga gifts, decors, and housewares. And then, ngayon nag-embark din po tayo sa mga products na made of bamboo. Yung pong engineered bamboo products. Yun po ngayon, tsaka yung mga products na gumagamit ng mga indigenous materials. Ang mani po, yung wow mani, galing po sa amin yan. Yung pong Edelins din, yung pong homemade peanuts. And then po yung mga silbanas, mga dried fish po, meron na rin kami. And then siyempre po yung aming processed food, yung pong hotdog, tocino, longganisa po, marami po yan. And then po, ngayon din po meron kaming mga organic food na rin. Mga organic rice, organic vegetables. And then, Meron din po kaming panggaseous ngayon. Yung po tinatawag nilang cream dory. We'd like to invite you po to visit our province. It's the home po ng aming mga delicious na delicacies. Hindi lang po delicacies, mga iba pong gift decors and housewares. And then nakikita po nyo ang famous po naming parol galing ng City of San Fernando.